Wagwan, my Flavor Pot family. Welcome back to the channel at Dre's Authentic Flavor Pot, where every meal tells a story. And I want to say welcome on board to my new subscribers. Thanks for joining the Flavor Pot family, and I hope everyone else is doing good, all my subscribers. And to everyone that come across this video, I'm asking you please to subscribe and join the Flavor Pot family. You won't regret it. Please subscribe and join the Flavor Pot family. And my subscribers, please remember to like, share and comment on the video. Subscribe people, subscribe. Okay, so today I'll be doing authentic Jamaican oven jerk pork packed with great flavors and authentic seasoning. So as you see here, I have this nice and juicy pork shoulder. I'm gonna clean this up properly, get off all the fat from it, and I'm gonna chop it up in some big portions. No small portion this time. I'm chopping it up in some big portions. Then I'm gonna wash it properly with vinegar. Wash that thoroughly with vinegar. And then next, I'm gonna season this with my authentic seasoning. So after washing this properly, now I'm gonna go in with my complete seasoning. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Adobo all-purpose seasoning. And next, I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper. Then next, I'm gonna put some paprika. And then next, I'm gonna put some black pepper. And next, I'm gonna use some garlic powder. And next, I'm gonna go in with some onion powder. And next, I'm gonna go in with my blended seasoning. So then now I'm gonna go in with my jerk seasoning. And next, my browning and some pimento bean. And you're gonna massage and rub in all these seasoning together properly. Make sure all the seasoning get under and into that pork. So yeah, we're gonna massage everything properly into this pork. So you know, I season my meat from overnight because I want all those great seasoning to marinate properly. So on the day of cooking, I get like half pot of water, and I'm gonna set that on the stove to boil. And the water is looking like that because I spray like some oil around the rim so that when it's boiling, it won't be, floating over the stove. So next, I'm prepping some natural seasoning, and I'm gonna put all of these seasoning in the water to boil. So I have some onions, some scallion, some thyme, I have ginger, I have garlic, and I have some bell pepper. And next, I'm gonna go in with some Adobo all-purpose seasoning, and then some complete seasoning, and I put a bit of Maggi seasoning into the pot also. We season up this water to get this nice flavor, because even though the pork is already seasoned, but put some additional seasoning to the water. So we have all of that. I added some black peppers and pimento beans also, and we're gonna stir everything all in together and bring to a boil. And next, after that, we're gonna start adding our pork. So after adding the pork to this nice and well flavorful boiling water, you're gonna let that boil for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until nice and tender to your liking, because I like when the skin part is soft and gummy and the lean part is well tender. So after about 1.5 hours, when everything is nice and tender, I remove the pork and I'm gonna transfer them into this nice glass tray. that I'm gonna put it in the oven to jerk. So yeah, so look at this. This is what it looked like after removing the pork from the water. Everything is like dried down and becomes this rich, nice gravy. And I'm gonna use this to baste the pork before putting the oven. So I'm basting the pork with the gravy and I'm putting it into the oven. And you can add like ketchup or barbecue sauce or whatever you want to add to the gravy. And this is the finished product, and I didn't have to make no extra sauce or gravy. I used what I had, which was, you know, from the boiling of the pork. Yeah, so this is what it looked like. And as I said, you can add water to it if it's too salty, or ketchup, barbecue sauce, whatever preference you have. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys. See you again in the next video.